When you remove the air filter compartment from your mower, this is the way you'll see the carburetor. The nipple on the right is where the fuel line comes in from the tank, the gas tank. And the main jet and the emulsion tube sit inside the bowl here, which we'll remove in a little bit here. There's my tool I use for that. I also use that driver there to remove the air filter compartment. There's the carb cleaner. You want to use that on the outside of the carburetor. Make sure it's clean so you don't get any stuff inside the bowl once you remove it. Now this one's fairly clean, but anyway, that's what you would do. When you take one out of the mower, it will be filthy. So that's the first thing you do, spray it with carb cleaner throughout, clean it with a cloth or whatever. So here I'm taking the nut from the bottom, the bolt. There it is. That one again you sprayed with inside, sprayed with carb cleaner. Again, this is a simulation. Then we got the float here and a pin that goes through it. That should be good, but you can spray in there also and clean. And that middle cylinder is where the main jet and the emulsion tube is. This screwdriver I had to format it a little bit. I didn't have one that would fit. So the one that I had, but the first time I did this, I used this file like this to shave it a little bit to get it to fit in that cylinder right there. And once you do that, the main jet is the small one there that we talked about earlier in the narration. And then the emulsion tube has a bunch of little holes, so that has to be attacked with the wires that I have there on the left here. Carb spray. There's the main jet. That's the small one, and there's the emulsion tube. That one has a bunch of holes. So you take these wires over here and put them through those holes. Spray, try to get as much debris that might be there out. You can get these cleaning wires at Amazon for about $5-7 for a, I don't know, 20 or more. They're assorted ones, but you can just take a bread tie, get the plastic out of it, and a paper clip, and that'll do the trick. And I'm in the way a lot here, but all I'm doing here is on these holes, I'm putting the wires in there like that, and then spraying at the same time, or after I take that out. And then everything goes back together. So that's the tube first. The way you took it out, same way it goes in, and then you just snug the main jet. Don't overdo it because it'll break. Put the bowl back. Yeah, the little gasket that I had there, that you'll need another gasket. But anyway, for the simulation I left it like that. and then just a little snug. And then it would have gone back in the lawnmower. Those are the wires that I have right there, the braid tie and the paper clip. Main ones go in front. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.